Hi, my name is Vikas. I came to Cube Training Group to change my career. I thought it would be very difficult for me to change my career later on, but staff in Cube were extremely helpful in directing me in my career path. I completed both Level 3 CCTV and Intruder alarm courses, which were in depth of how the security systems work. I would extremely recommend the Cube training because after I finished my course, they were still helping me to finding a job. And it was very surprised about the amount of responses I received, and I had a couple of interviews also. Thank you.